information and detail of air fryer. If you want to buy this air fryer, link